All is well, my dear students. How are you all? This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. In the previous video, you have studied about what is software. And now, today we are going to learn about types of software. So, dear students, you can see that in the diagram, there are two types of software, system software and application software. In this video, I will explain you about system software, and the next video I will explain you what is application software. So now I will explain you what is system software. The system software is required to control the overall operation of a computer system. It is a set of programs that control and manage the operation of a computer hardware. System software also helps application software to execute properly. System software provides platform to other application software. It makes the operation of a computer more fast, effective and secure. Some examples of system softwares are operating system, antivirus software and language translator. System software can be classified into three categories. First, operating system, second, language processor and third, utility software. So let us discuss types of system software in detail. An operating system is the most important software without which you cannot work on a computer system. It is the most basic system software present in a computer. An operating system provides an interface between the user and computer hardware. It manages all the software and hardware on the computer system. The operating system acts as a resource manager. A computer system has many resources such as CPU time, memory space, input-output devices and so on. The operating system acts as a manager of these resources and allocates them to specific programs and user as necessary. Some examples of operating systems are Windows operating system, disk operating system, Unix, Linux, Android, Mac OS, etc. Next type of system software is language processor. So dear students, software are created by writing programs in computer languages. There are many computer languages such as C, C++, Java, PHP, .NET, Python, etc. The programs written in these languages cannot be understood by a computer directly. A computer is an electronic machine and can only understand machine language, which comprises zeros and ones. A language processor is a very important software as it translates or converts a program written in a computer language into the machine language so that it can be understood by a computer. With the help of diagram, you can understand the concept of language processor. Computer languages code is also known as source code and machine language code also known as object code. So you can say that language processor is used to convert source code into object code. Example of language processors are assembler, interpreter and compiler. Third and last type of system software is utility software. Utility software is required for the maintenance of computer. Utility software is one which provide certain tasks that help in proper maintenance of the computer. The job of utility program is to keep the computer system running smoothly. Some of the commonly used utility softwares are disk defragmenter, disk compression, antivirus software and backup utility. Disk defragmenter speed up the access of data from a hard disk by rearranging the files and free space. Disk compression is used to compress content of a disk for increasing the capacity of disk. Antivirus software is used to protect a computer from virus. An antivirus software scan disk for virus and remove them. Backup utility software program lets you maintain a copy of the data on the hard disk so that in case of any accidental loss or system crash, valuable data is not permanently lost. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of system software. In my next video, I will explain you about application software. Thank you.